Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to create group chat on iPhone. Tap on settings, search for messages, tap on messages, and here you'll find iMessage options. You have to toggle on this option from here and now open your messages apps. Tap on this new message icon to the top right corner. Tap on plus, add contact. You can add multiple contact. Now type the message here and send it. And as you can see, I've successfully created chat groups here, and you can share your current location from here. You can hide group alerts. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.